Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic Artificial Intelligence. So let's get started. The Logic Theorist, often cited as the first artificial intelligence program, was capable of proving theorems from which mathematical work. The correct answer is option B, Principia Mathematica by Whitehead and Russell. In 1966, the ALPAC Report led to a significant decrease in funding for which specific area of AI research? The correct answer is option A, machine translation. Developed at MIT in the mid-1960s, which program was designed to simulate a Rogerian psychotherapist? The correct answer is option C, ELIZA. Which 1969 book by Marvin Minsky and Seymour Papert is often credited with ending the first wave of neural network research? The correct answer is option D, perceptrons. The Shakey robot, developed at SRI International between 1966 and 1972, was notable for being the first mobile robot with the ability to The correct answer is option B, reason about its own actions and surroundings. Which expert system, developed in the 1960s at Stanford, was designed to analyze chemical compounds to identify their molecular structure? The correct answer is option A, Dendral. The Lighthill Report, published in 1973, caused a massive reduction in AI funding in which country? The correct answer is option B, United Kingdom. Terry Winograd's SHRDLU, 1970, operated in a restricted environment known as what? The correct answer is option C, the Block's world. In 1958, John McCarthy proposed a hypothetical system called the advice taker. What was its primary significance? The correct answer is option C. It was designed to learn from experience and use formal logic. Which AI pioneer is credited with proposing the frames concept for representing knowledge in 1974? The correct answer is option C, Marvin Minsky. The MYCIN expert system, developed in the 1970s, was primarily intended for what purpose? The correct answer is option C, diagnosing infectious blood diseases. What was the primary goal of Japan's fifth-generation computer systems project launched in 1982? The correct answer is option B, to develop massive parallel processing for AI applications. The term knowledge engineering was coined by which AI researcher, often called the father of expert systems? The correct answer is option A, Edward Feigenbaum. Which programming language, created in 1972 by Alain Kalmerauer and Philippe Roussel, became the standard for logic programming in AI? The correct answer is option C, PROLOG. In the early 1970s, Kenneth Colby developed Perry. How did Perry differ from ELIZA? The correct answer is option B. Perry simulated a person with paranoid schizophrenia. What was the primary contribution of the General Problem Solver GPS, developed by Newell Simon? The correct answer is option B. It introduced the means-ends analysis strategy. During the 1980s, which expert system saved Digital Equipment Corporation, DEC, millions of dollars annually by configuring computer orders. The correct answer is option A, XCN or R1. The STRIPS Planner, 1971, was a landmark in AI planning. What does the acronym STRIPS stand for? The correct answer is option B, Stanford Research Institute Problem Solver. In 1951, Christopher Shakey wrote one of the first successful AI programs. What was the program's function? The correct answer is option B, playing checkers. Which AI researcher developed the semantic networks model for human memory in 1968? The correct answer is option A, Ross Quillian. The first AI winter is generally considered to have occurred during which time period? The correct answer is option B, 1974 to 1980. Who developed the SNARC stochastic neural analog reinforcement calculator in 1951, the first neural network computer? The correct answer is option C, Marvin Minsky. What was the significance of the Hearsay 2 project in the mid-1970s? The correct answer is option A. It introduced the Blackboard architecture for speech recognition. In 1959, Arthur Samuel coined the term machine learning in the context of a program designed to play which game? The correct answer is option C, checkers. The Wobot 1, built in 1973 at Waseda University, is recognized as the first. The correct answer is option C, full-scale anthropomorphic humanoid robot. Which 1976 book by Joseph Weizenbaum expressed concern about the ethical implications and over-reliance on AI? The correct answer is option B, Computer Power and Human Reason. What was the primary reason for the collapse of the LISP machine market in the late 1980s? The correct answer is option B, the rise of cheaper, powerful general-purpose workstations and PCs. In the context of 1970s AI, what did the term GoFi stand for? The correct answer is option C, good old-fashioned artificial intelligence. Which researcher introduced scripts in 1977 as a way to represent sequences of events in AI systems? The correct answer is option A, Roger Schank. The 1956 Dartmouth Workshop is famous for naming the field artificial intelligence. Who is credited with choosing that specific name? The correct answer is option C, John McCarthy. Thank you for watching.